Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS2 2025 GA question number 7. If IMAGE and FIELD are coded as FHBNJ and EMFGH respectively, then which one among the given option is the most appropriate code for BECH? And 4 options are given. For solving this type of question, first write the alphabet A to G. Okay. Now we'll see how this coded. I and F. F is back of I, like 3 back. So I minus 3. M and H. So this is minus 5. Then A and B plus 1. Then G and N. G is here and N is here. Plus 7. Then E and J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5. So for middle one, it will be plus 1. First I and F. This is minus 3. And last one E and J, that is plus 5. Then M and H, that is minus 5. G and N, that is plus 7. Next is second coding FIELD and EMFJG. So middle one, that should be plus 1. E and F. Yes, this is plus 1. Then F and E. F and E, that is minus 1. So last should be D and G. Yes, this is D and G. Then I and M. So this is plus 4. The next one is J and L. Okay. E, F, G, D, I, M, L, J. So F minus 1 is E. I plus 4 is M. E plus 1 is F. L minus 2 is J. D plus 3 is G. Next we will find code for beach. BEACH. So first thing after A, it should be B. Next one, right? Now check in the option in which alphabet sequence middle one is B. It's present at option B. So directly you can write answer is option B. Let me check it matches or not. B, E, A, C, H, I, D, B, F, C. So B and I, then last should be H and C. Yes. E and D, the next should be C and F. So B, I, H, C, E, D, C, F. B plus 7 equals to I, E minus 1 equals to D, A plus 1 equals to B, C plus 3 equals to F, and H minus 5 equals to C. You don't need to check all the alphabets, just check the middle one. A plus 1, B, E plus 1, F, A plus 1, B. That's it. So answer will be option B. If there are multiple options with middle one as B, then you need to compare. So here answer is option B, IDBFC. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.